Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how to find someone on the Flipp app. So you go to the app and then go right to your profile and then click the right top. I will show you that in just a second. And it's a new messages. And if you type in a name right here, so for example, just like I do right now, and as you can see, people are popping up and the one you are searching for is popping up as well. And then you can click on the profile, and from here on you can click on follow, or you can use and see what they added to cart or what they bought, and click on following. And then you can go back to your profile in a second, and then you can see that you are following someone. And if you want to go to the profile fast back, you click on the number one I follow right now, click on the profile again, and if you want to unfollow, you can click on unfollow again. That's it.